Hello friends, welcome back to my video. It's me, Miss Ridja. You know, do you like a snow day as much as I do? Well, sometimes you don't have snow, but I thought of a way to kind of make it look like a snowstorm. Let me show you how. So I like to call this experiment Snowstorm in a Jar. Now I've got 3 jars here because I'm going to do 3 variations of the experiment. So you'll need jars, you'll need water, you'll need white paint, baby oil, and Alka-Seltzer. Doesn't matter if it's lemon lime or plain, just a few tablets, a spoon to stir. And for the options, I have some glitter and I have some blue food coloring. And I'll show you how to use those too. So the first thing I do is put a little bit of water in each jar, maybe about 1/4 of the way up, depending on the size of your jar. And then you're going to add a few tablespoons of the white paint into each and then give it a stir. And that's what it's going to look like once you mix it. Okay, so you want to let that liquid settle and then we're going to add some baby oil to them. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of the space that I want with baby oil, and you don't want to go all the way to the top, but you want a good amount in each. So you can see there's in this one, and I went ahead and I did the others. So they all look the same. Okay, so the 3 of them are all set, and what we're going to do is to give them a little bit of a different look. I'm going to leave one as it is. The second one, I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter to it. I have gold. You can add whatever you like. I think blue would be pretty, or white. I wish I had some, but don't. So let's let that settle down to the bottom. And in the last one, I'm going to put some food color blue. Let's see. All those drops are going to go down to the bottom. Okay. You can see them down there. I have my Alka-Seltzer and I've broken the pieces into small sections, and once we add that, that's where the magic happens. As you can see, I added the Alka-Seltzer and you can see that the bubbles are forming and come up towards the top. And give it a moment or two and you'll see more of a reaction. Let's see what happens in this one. And let's see what happens in the blue one. So the more you add of the Alka-Seltzer tablets, the more reaction you're going to see happen. Wow, look at the middle one go. But this one is my favorite. It is the closest I'm going to get to snow on a non-snow day. What's it look like on the top? Oh, look at that one. So for my science-loving friends who are asking the question, what exactly happens? Well, a couple of things. First of all, we all know that oil and water don't mix. Then the other thing to know is that oil is less dense than water. That's why the water is always at the bottom and the oil is on the top. Now, the Alka-Seltzer, also known as sodium bicarbonate, mixes with the water when we drop it in, forms bubbles, and those bubbles are full of carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide then wants to come up and let out the gas. Well, the oil is putting its own force on the reaction and pushing those bubbles back down so they can't come up and release the gas like they normally would. So that's why you have this up and down motion, and I don't think you can really see it very clearly on here, but it's going. Anyway, so that's what happens with a snowstorm. They're going up and down the bubbles, and it looks like a snowstorm. A very cool reaction, in my opinion. And full disclosure, if you like doing something like this, I have another video out there. It's called Lava Lamp. Check it out too. Kind of a fun way to do this experiment. Miss Rachel just loves this one. Well, that takes up all the time for today. Like I say, take care, stay safe. See you in the library. Bye. Oh, my hand is going to say bye too.